Hello and welcome to our first ever Two Peas in a Podcast.
First ever.
Yes, at Laurel Highlands. Yes,
That's exciting.
Yeah, it's very exciting. It's inaugural. We have special guests, David Letterman stopping by a little later.
I hope he can make it.
I know, but we'll try to fit him in because we have a lot to do in this video.
A lot to cover.
Yes.
What are we going to do?
I don't know, you can tell me.
Okay, well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to complete a quick augmented reality project by simply making a book cover come to life.
Yes, or it could be something on a bulletin board. It could be a QR code that you send home to families with some information, an exit ticket.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Bring anything to life.
Are endless.
That's right.
Without a doubt.
So here's what we're going to need to do. You're going to need to make sure that you have your book cover file saved, which is really easy to do. And then you need to do your video. Record a video of yourself, whatever you want to put on that book cover, and record that.
Yeah.
You can use any type of device?
Any type of device. You can use an iPhone, an Android device, an iPad, a MacBook.
Excellent.
A one-button studio.
Whatever. That's perfect. And once you save that, you can edit that video if you choose to. You can do it on iMovie. Makes it really easy to do. You can edit that video, or you can keep it the way it is.
Yes, but the key is to keep it under 100 megabytes.
And how do we tell if it's under 100 megabytes?
Well, if you right-click on the video that you have.
Okay, this is going to be our video.
And on a Mac, you would click Get Info.
Perfect.
And you can see that this video is 82 megabytes. So we do not have to compress. We don't have to change the quality of the video. We can use this video as is.
Perfect. So we have our video that is under 100 megabytes, and we have our book cover. Now we can continue.
Right.
All we're going to do is actually go to an app we like to use, HP Reveal.
Love HP Reveal.
All right, so we'll pull that up.
I'm very excited for the relaunch.
I know that. Great new relaunch. So here's HP Reveal. Notice that they have two areas to log into. We're going to log into the Augmented Reality Studio. I believe I'm already logged in here.
There we are.
If you are given credentials to log in, do so, or you can create your own.
Just make sure that you share your account, or that it's able to be found so that other people can like it and view your RS.
I like the way you think. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
What do we want to do? We want to create a new aura. So we'll click on that.
That was my question to answer, but go ahead.
Oh, okay.
You were supposed to ask
I'm
the
so
question,
excited.
not ask the question, then answer it.
I am so excited. I just keep moving along so fast. I just can't help myself.
I'm telling you.
That's just the way I roll.
Okay.
So here we are. We are on our HP Reveal, and we want to upload the trigger. Very easy to do, which is our book cover, right?
Right.
It is in a JPEG.
So it's a file we just saved on our desktop for easy finding. It's the book cover or one of the book covers for 19 minutes.
So we browse. There it is.
There's our JPEG.
Click, loads quickly, and save.
Boom, there we are. Perfect.
Pretty easy. Now again, we can adjust this. We can make it bigger, smaller, but we're going to leave it as is because we like it. And we're going to go to next, which is going to allow us to upload our video. Our
video is also known as our overlay. So our trigger is what starts the video when you scan the image with any device.
So we are picking just any random video just to show you. Again, this is not anything to go along with the book cover 19 minutes. We just want you to be aware of what we're doing. And this video was not done on green screen. We're just doing a real quick video upload. And click save. This takes a few minutes.
Okay, so our video has uploaded, and now you can see that it is over top of our book cover.
Excellent.
And we can move the video around.
We can actually
click on move, and then wherever you see fit, you can also resize the video.
Right here. Zoom in, out, whatever you want to do. You can make those changes.
Right.
Our next steps would be simply save it and we'd be done, or we could preview it. So we're going to preview it to make sure it actually works.
Yeah, I would always preview your work.
When you're doing that, you're actually going to take your device that has the app HP Reveal downloaded. You'll be able to scan that, which we do.
Okay, on our way out.
And you will hear the video playing. Seems to be working well.
Yep, looks good.
All right. Click close. And our next steps then would simply be to click next. Click next.
And this page here, you can edit your aura by renaming it or changing your overlays. But everything that we did, we really liked. You can even give it a hashtag so people can find it easier on HP Reveal. But we like how everything is right now, so we are done with our aura.
All right. Let's close it up.
And
let's make sure it works. Oh, there it is.
On our home screen.
Thank you, everyone.
Yep, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Two Peas in a Podcast. And we'll be bringing you a brief podcast on iMovie and then also on Handbrake, which is an MP4 converter. So it takes rather large video files and allows you to turn them into MP4s and change the quality to fit them under the requirements of HP Reveal.
I like that. Thanks, P.
Thank you, Pod.
Take care.
See ya.
Bye.